Today, we are going to talk about ratios. To be able to solve the ratio, we need to be able to put the numbers together 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 gives us 11. But 44 is bigger than 11. But it's bigger only 4 times, which means if we use 6 4 times and 5 4 times and put them all together, we will get 44. 6 times 4 is 24 and 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 24 will give us 44. Let's have a look how it works. We can grow 11 to 44 if we multiply 11 by 4. We're going to use the boys 4 times. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to use girls section 4 times as well. 1, 2, 3. 24 plus 20 gives us 44. So how many girls are in the classroom is 20, right?